Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin, and today I'm going to show you how to identify and match fonts from images using Adobe Photoshop and myfonts.com. Do me a solid and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you never miss a tutorial. Alright, I have a couple images already on my desktop, so I'm just going to click one of the images that I have and drag it to the Photoshop app in my dock. And that will open up the image in Photoshop. And all you have to do to find out what typeface this is go to Type, Match Font. Pretty simple. Once this window comes up, you'll get this crop box and you can just select the text you want. Sometimes you'll have graphics with many fonts, so you just select which one you want. And Photoshop will start loading fonts. I will tell you, it takes a little while for it to load. It's a little slow. For some context, this is a logo that I made for our competition. And halfway through creating this project in Adobe Illustrator, my software started glitching and changing my fonts. And I couldn't remember the name of the typeface that I had used. Luckily, I had saved a JPEG image of one of the drafts. So to solve this, I brought the image into Photoshop to match the font. And here you'll see it just loaded a bunch of fonts, and at the very top has Juniper Medium, which is the font that I used. I have all of these fonts downloaded, but sometimes Photoshop will recommend fonts that you don't have downloaded and will have a download button here that you can click. Just keep in mind that all of the fonts it's going to show you are on Adobe fonts. If the font that you've selected is not on Adobe fonts, it's not going to show up on this window. So that's why I'm going to show you how to search for fonts on myfonts.com as well. So let's go do that. All right, so here we are on myfonts.com/pages/whatthefont. I will make sure to link this website in the YouTube description. But all you have to do is to paste an image URL here or drag and drop an image. So I'm going to grab another image and drag it right into their website. And it will make selections around the text in your image. So all you have to do is click the selection you want, and you can hit remove if you don't want to identify that, or you can click identify font. I chose this because even though I've never seen Stranger Things, I'm really attracted to the typeface. And here, right at the top, it's telling us that it is using Bengua Bold. Now, like Adobe, myfonts.com only shows you fonts that are in their library. So if it's not in their library, you can scroll down and it will start showing you fonts that are similar to what you've uploaded. So for example, Primo Serial Heavy. I could be saying that wrong, but this is a similar font to what we uploaded. Anyways, those are two ways for you to identify and match fonts. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week.